Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the IDT high definition audio codec driver error code that you are running across on your computer that basically just will say that it has encountered a problem, followed by error code 0x80070001F. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to go about resolving it. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager listed right above control panel. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Now you want to go ahead and expand the sound, videos, and game controller section near the bottom. Now for this specific error, you're going to be looking for an item that says IDT high definition audio codec. I do not have that in my case, but in your case it should say that. So again, IDT high definition audio codec. You'd right click on it, select update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you would select the driver that was applicable that you had installed. So if there was only one driver available, you obviously would go with it. If there was only one generic driver, you'd go with that one as well. If there's a specific IDT high definition audio option in here, I would go with that personally. And then select next, select yes, and then you're going to click on close out of here. You're going to have to restart your computer, so make sure you save and close out of any open programs before you click on yes, just like I did. So just close out of there, and our system is about to restart. There you go, guys. Simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.